Hey, what's going on? So today we're going to be taking a look at this small General Electric. I picked this up a few weeks ago. Haven't gotten around to doing anything with it. It's from 2006. It's a 5150. It did not have any panels with it, and I just dug these up from I got a big stash of panels there. These should both fit. They're not in great shape, but they're not split or anything. Well, there's a little split on that one, but they should work out. So I'm gonna clean this up, put some panels on it, and try to get some money for it. I don't know if it works yet, so let's turn it on. Oh, hold on, I'm gonna have to run the hairdryer. It's cool again as usual. Alright, I think we got the thermostat to click now. Yeah, I think so. Alright, so let's turn this on. Uh-oh. That's on. Maybe this needs to be reset. Alright. Plug was tripped. Alright, let's try it again. There we go. The wheel looks a little wobbly in there. Should be alright as long as it ain't making noise. They're all slightly wobbly, I think. Let's see. Here we go. It's an LG compressor, which sounds pretty good. These things usually work. Generally pretty reliable. They tend to be kind of busted up. All this type of air conditioner, whenever I get them, the panels are always broken. I could take the grill off. Just 2 screws. Alright, hold on, I'm gonna pop the grill off. I gotta clean this anyway, so. Alright, we got the grill off. Feels sort of cold coming out of there. Well, this kind of goes from the middle up and down. It's cold right there going in. Let it run for a minute. Yeah, I think this is gonna work. Alright, so I'm gonna take this apart and clean it, stick those panels on it, then we'll come back and look at it. Now here's the inside of that unit. It's kind of typical dirtiness, pretty. This isn't too bad, but it's got a little build up right there. The rest of the coil is not that bad. Yeah, this really isn't that bad. Just some build up there. Yeah, not too bad. Shouldn't be too hard to clean up. I gotta kind of do this quickly because it might start raining. Alright, all done cleaning this. Partially assembled. I already ran into a problem here. One of the panels ripped as I was cleaning it up. The end ripped off, so you have to find something else. I don't think I have any more, but I'll look. Alright, so here's our finished product. Yeah, I spent way too much time on this. What I ended up doing with this panel was, when I had picked out broke when I was cleaning it. It was the same type of panel, but it was bigger. So I took the accordion out and cut it down to fit in here. And I had to drill new holes, and I should have put this side facing the other way, because this is like the weathered side. I should have put this on the other side, you know. I was in a hurry. I was trying to get this finished before it started raining, which it hasn't started raining yet. Anyway, I took all this duct tape off. There was duct tape all over the top, and there was some on the sides. I took all that off. Yeah, I spent way too much time on this. So, let's start her up. I already ran the hair dryer. Yeah, I think it's gonna click. So let's turn it on. There's still some water in there. It's low. Let's just turn it on. Sounds good. Yeah, I spent way too much time on this. LG compressor. It really sounds nice. Sounds pretty good. Really quiet. I didn't fix. There's got a few little dings on the back. You know, sometimes I fix those, sometimes I don't. You know, it's not a big deal. So other than that panel, it came out pretty good. These panels are just, you know, they're really tough to find things that fit what you need. Even though I got this huge pile of them here, you know, it's the only thing I had that fit. So this works, you know. I'm not gonna. I had to drill holes for this, and you know, I can't flip it around now, so it is what it is. This will still function as a panel, so you know, I'm not gonna worry about it. Yeah, this works nice. It's getting cold. It's not cold yet. It's a little cold. So this is a very simple air conditioner, though. These usually work pretty good. This little piece of crud stuck in there still. Whatever. Styrofoam came out pretty good. There's still a little bit of staining in it, but not much. You can't really see in there anyway. Yeah, this works good. This probably take a few minutes to get fully cold, but it's cold. Let's see, that's a low fan, that's high fan. Yeah, these have pretty nice fans on them. The air points upwards instead of forward, which is a little bit better way to do it. compressor really sounds nice in this. Yeah, stickers worn off there. So yeah, I guess it came out alright. Let's take a look at the label on this. I don't even remember if I showed it. Yeah, I think I did. Yeah, I did already show it. So, that's it for that. Yeah, these aren't bad little air conditioners. Alright. Here's the GE all cleaned up. See you next time.